Here is how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. So let's start. First of all, you cannot enable this setting from your mobile app. So you will have to go to any browser. After opening the browser, tap on the search bar and type Telegram login. Then after you will find the link of this Telegram web, tap on it. It will open the website of Telegram where you will have to enter the login details of your account. After logging into your account, you will come to a screen like this. Now tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Then after go to settings. Scroll below in the settings and you will find privacy and security. Tap on it. As you scroll below in the privacy and security, you will find this disable filtering option. In order to enable the sensitive content on your Telegram, make sure the disable filtering option is active. As you do that, you will be able to see the sensitive content on Telegram. So in this way, you can easily enable sensitive content on Telegram. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.